try to execute first Python program today, just click on search, type IDLE, open IDLE here, click on Control N, that will open a new document for us. Here we can write comment lines by using hash or doc strings. Suppose I am using hash, that will give us single line comments, and doc strings that will give multi-line comments. This is the way of writing multi-line comment in Python. Comments are generally used to enhance the readability and understandability of the code. Multi-line comments we can write like this. Generally we give author name, the code details, etc. as part of multi-line comment. Suppose I want to print something in Python. We have a function called print. In between double quotations we can write code like Python is easy to learn. That will be displayed as part of the output in the console. Let us save the file. I'm giving the first Python first.py. So this is my file, first Python program, and here I'm running the code by using F5. You can click on F5 so that the code gets executes here, or you can use run module. So this is how we can see the output. And here we can see the shell. The shell acts like a calculator. You can perform any basic arithmetic operation. You can, here suppose I want to calculate 2 to the power of 50, that is also possible here. So here we can display anything, suppose like the print statement what we have previously used, we can write here. And this is how the shell acts as interface. And if we want, we can go even with the help functions, and in the help we can see all the keywords. So these are the list of keywords available in Python 3.10, which is the installed version in my system. If you want to check the modules related to Python, you can just type modules, so that it will retrieve all the available modules from Python. So this is the way we can write code interactively, and we can use the shell. So these are the fundamentals, the beginning point. In the next videos, we will see how to work with Python. It is taking little time to retrieve all the modules which are installed in the system. We are using the help functionality provided by Python IDLE. So basically shell, that is the interface between user and Python. This shell gives us the interaction. It will display output as well as few commands we can execute here. Till it is loading, taking little time to load all the modules which are available. Takes little time to retrieve the modules. Let us wait and see. So these are all the modules available in Python. So that's all for today. For more, please stay tuned.